Assalamualaikum dear kids. Welcome to all. In English grammar, in the last video, we have learned about lesson sensible sentences 1. I think each and everyone have understood about this lesson. Now, today we will do the exercise of this lesson. Sensible sentences 1. First of all, I will revise some important things of this lesson. Let us revise what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that must give a complete idea. We use sentence to speak and to write down our thoughts or ideas. A group of words that does not give a complete idea is not a sentence. Next, a complete sentence has two parts, that is the naming part and the telling part. Naming parts tells about names, someone or something. Telling part tells what someone or something does. Let us see the first exercise. Bubble the groups of words that give a complete idea. Cross out the groups of words that do not give a complete idea. First, yellow and black. Yellow and black. This group of two words are not giving a complete idea about them, so we cross it. Next, I have a yellow and blue bag. Listen again. I have a yellow and blue bag. This group of words give us a complete idea, so we put bubble here. Next, cow field. Cow field. This group of two words are not giving a complete idea about them, so we cross it. Next, this is a rose, ring, bracket. This group of words give us a complete idea, so we put bubble here. Next, we are going on a picnic. Listen again. We are going on a picnic. This group of words give us a complete idea, so we put bubble here. Next, Ritu, Ratna and Rachna. This group of words tells us three names without giving a complete idea. A group of words does not give a complete idea. It's not a sentence, so we cross it. Next, let us see the next exercise. Choose the correct words to complete the sentence and read loud. First, dash love oranges, dash sister loves bananas. In first box, small I and capital I given here. In next box, the word my begins with small m and with capital M. Then which my comes here. Always remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter, usually and with full stop. So choose the word that begins with a capital letter. So we put in each blank the word that begins with a capital letter. So we put here I and my that begins with a capital letter. Next, Dash is playing the guitar. Dash are watching her. The words are given here, Tina and we. Which Tina word comes here? That begins with capital T. Next, which V word comes here? That begins with capital W. Next, Dash are noisy birds. Dash even learn to talk. Which parrot's word comes here? That begins with capital P. Next, which they word comes here? That begins with capital T. Now read it. I love oranges. My sister loves bananas. Tina is playing the guitar. We are watching her. Parrots are noisy birds. They even learn to talk. Let us see the next exercise. Rearrange the words and rewrite each sentence correctly. Go we evening park to the every. Listen again. Go we evening park to the every. Does it make any sense to you? No. The answer will be we go to the park every evening. Now the sentence makes sense. So to make all the words of a sentence must be placed in correct order. Number 2. Storybooks many have I. Listen again. Storybooks many have I. Does it make any sense to you? No. The answer will be I have many story books. Now the sentence makes sense and giving a complete idea. Next, number 3. Little sheep her has lost Bo Peep. Listen again. Little sheep her has lost Bo Peep. Does it make any sense to you? No. The answer will be Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Now the sentence makes sense and giving a complete idea. I think each and everyone have understood about this exercise. Now homework time. Question number 1. Circle the frog whose words express a complete idea. Next, question number 2. Underline the naming part of each sentence. Number 1. The garden has many plants. Number 2. The sun is big ball of fire. Number 3. The cat is running. Number 4. The teacher is absent today. Number 5. The horses have 4 legs. I will ask about this homework in the next class. Allah Hafiz.